Hey guys, I'm showing a new construction house today, and so I wanted to show you something that I found, and I thought this was kind of interesting. So let me flip the camera around so you can see. All right, so here's the sink. Let's say you're at home, you're washing dishes, you want to turn on the garbage disposal. Where do you think that switch is? Not here on the island. Let me show you. It's all the way over here, right there. So that's where the sink is. I'm not sure somebody thought that through.